College paid for. Career waiting for you. Your future starts here. Empirical's Gateway Scholarship provides a full ride to Mitchell Tech, where you'll study SCADA, the technology behind automation in industries from energy to food production. It's how companies like ours monitor and control equipment. You'll learn it in the classroom, then apply it on the job with us. Paid, hands-on, real-world experience.
We have a really big lab and we get to do a lot more things that other schools don't get to do. A reason why this scholarship is a great opportunity is you'll sign a 2-year contract and in return, you'll have a full ride scholarship, so you don't have to worry about any payments or a room and board or anything like that. And you'll also have a guaranteed job afterwards.
Mitchell Tech's a great program. Lots of our highly skilled technicians have attended school there.
A lot of the students, before they even graduate, they already have job offers.
At Empirical, we produce millions of pounds of ground beef and steak every week in our high-tech plants, packed with automation. We design our own machines, fabricate custom parts, and keep everything running with smart systems. That's where you come in.
Anybody that's mechanically inclined or likes to think about the way things work, those are all great candidates for the Gateway program.
Someone who's really driven, there's a lot to this, so it's definitely not an easy career choice, but it's also really rewarding and it's always evolving. So for me, it's interesting to learn all the new pieces.
Finish the program successfully and the job is yours at a growing company on the leading edge of automation and food production. We are the future of food.
To finish school and know that they already have a job lined up, I feel like that takes a lot of the stress away and they can really just focus on school.
Everyone's really encouraging here. They always give out a helping hand and are constantly teaching me new things I didn't know.
We do a really good job of onboarding people in this company at Empirical, so I think we're really good at kickstarting people's career.
No debt, real experience, a guaranteed career. Take the first step. Your future starts here.